Hello, my lovely friends. You know, I don't just love doggies after all. I love all animals, especially babies. Yes. So, today we're going to go visit some new friends. Freddy and Pipson, who work at Baby Transportation Service, T.O.T.S. Let's put the puzzle together and see what their typical work day is like. Let's go, my friends. We need number 1, 4 corners. Corners number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I see corners number 1. And interesting, where it plates for these speech puzzles. This, maybe. No, friends, it's not the right place. And I think so. Maybe this. Oh, no. No, right. This. And now I know where is place for this speech puzzle. This. Yay! It's right. Cool. Okay, corners number 2. Corners. Oh, I see corners. Where is place for you? For you, maybe this? Oh, no, it's right. No, this? Maybe. Oh, yeah, look. Now it's right. Cool. It's right. Yes. Corners number 3. Corners. Oh, it is corners. And where is place for these speech puzzles? These are these. Maybe this. Yay! Friends, it is right. Look, this line and this line. And now we need only 1 speech puzzles. 1 wall corners. These. Okay, where is corners? This corners. It is corners? No, it is not corners. This speech puzzle? Oh, no, it's not right. Look, this 1 line, 1 side. We need 2 lines to side. And then... Yes! It is right. Now it's right. Yes. This. Ta-da! Friends, look. Now we have 4 corners. Yay! You did it! And now we need all speech puzzles with 1 side line. Okay. Speech puzzles number 1. I think so. This. Plates. We need speech puzzle for this place. Look, friends. I see speech puzzle with. I know. It's right way or not. Okay, maybe this. Look, friends, this is right. Cool. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we need speech puzzles with line this. Speech puzzles with line? It's right? Oh, no, it's not right. This, we have speech puzzle with line. Oh, and I think so it is right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Very, very nice and perfect. And friends, it's amazing. Oh yeah. Now I think so. We need 2 speech puzzles with line these. These. Okay. I see 1 speech puzzles with line these. But I don't know where is plate for this speech puzzle. This. This. Okay, this. No, it's not the right variant. And now I know it's right variants. Yeah. No. Yeah. Cool. Well, 1 speech puzzles. Oh, yeah, friends, I see. Oh yeah, it's very, very right. What? It's not right? Okay. Oh no, it's it's right, friend. Okay, it's right. It's cool. These fish puzzles we have, and now we need 2 fish puzzles like this. I see 1 fish puzzles and 2. These fish puzzles. 2 are this and this. Okay, maybe this. Oh, I see. It's not right. Yes, sorry. This. Ta-da! Cool. And this fish puzzle for these plates. Oh, yeah, friends. Look, we did it. Oh, yeah. Now we have an all fish puzzles with one side like it is perfect, beautiful, and wow. Oh, yeah. Cool. And right. Okay, now we need only 2 fish puzzles with one in the center. Yes, in the center. This. And I see 1 fish puzzles. And I think so. This fish puzzle for this plate. Yeah! Friends, look. We have only 1 fish puzzle for these puzzles. Oh, and oh. Okay, friends. I'm very interesting. What are you doing with new friends? Okay.
Aww, quality time sure is great, but nothing in the world beats family time.
Get a picture, Pip. I can't figure out how to get all of us in the picture.
I know how.
This putting our heads together thing really does work.
Oh, I really love all animals. Oh yeah, thank you friends, thank you for your job, for your help. And please, if you liked it, like this video and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.